Here's a dog that looks like a frog. This guy came home and wanted to surprise his mom. So I found this video of a cool fish with a see-through transparent head. I kinda got weirded out once I learned that these are not their eyes. These are their eyes, which they use to look for food. Scientists wanted to study how someone with ADHD behaved when watching two very different subjects. Pilots in small planes will only do this as an emergency, and in this case, nobody was injured. I love getting comments like this. This one's for you, buddy. I found this video of this giant massive tornado. What's cool about this is how it just suddenly disappears. So this is pretty scary. Here's an extreme close-up of a mosquito sucking on a victim. There's a very popular ladder located in Austria that people love to climb. This guy had no idea that he ran right past a mountain lion. Here's a cool time-lapse of rain just dumping water in one specific area. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.